Hello, this is Usawa. In this video, I'll be demonstrating to you the dashboard of Usawa, the various tabs on Usawa, and the various features and tools you have in Usawa, basically giving you a way to navigate through the Usawa dashboard. Once you sign up for Usawa or you log into your new Usawa, you're going to be having a dashboard such as this. Now note that your dashboard may not have some of the things here because we're already populated with various data, and that's why you have transactions here. This is only for demonstration purposes. Now at the top of it, you have the running board, where after you have the logo of Usawa, you have the various tabs which we'll be talking about. First is the dashboard itself. Second is a contact tab. The contact tab is where you have your contact for suppliers, customers, and employee. And then you have a process tab, which to us, that is a strong part of Usawa because it's where most of the actions, the accounting actions, or should we say books of original entry happens. This is where you raise invoices, bills, the reimbursements, the fixed assets, manual journal, manage inventory. Now, the number of rows you have it depends on the kind of Usawa subscription that you have signed off or the features that you have turned on or modules that you have turned on under the Usawa settings. We're going to show you that when we are explaining the settings and how to turn on the various modules. The banking tab is where you have the banks, and then that's where you do everything related to the banks, raising important bank statement and reconciliation. The report tab is where you have all the report of Usawa. This is where they are domiciled. In another video, we'll be going through the various reports that Usawa has. The e-file is where you store all documents or third-party documents that you want to have in Usawa. Now, with Usawa and your subscription, you don't need to have a solution for your online storage devices. You can actually use Usawa to serve as your online document management system. Therefore, on the e-file, you can actually keep things like receipts, invoices, document for assets, your tax remittances, your tax clearances, all those things related to your accounting that you want to make sure that it's in good location that you can retrieve it very fast. The settings tab is where you set everything relating to Usawa. And then for everybody that's using Usawa with your same subscription, you have an HRM, which is an human resources management software, and a CRM, a customer relationship management software, all embedded. So your subscription gives you both the accounting software, the human resources management software, and the CRM. These softwares, I'll be demonstrating them later on. Now, if you are having more than one company in Usawa, you can actually change, rather than logging out and logging in, you can basically click on this drop down and change between organizations. This displays the organization you are presently logged in. That will help you to know the organization you are presently logged in. And if you click on this need help, it's going to take you to our help support dashboard. This is where we have all the database, knowledge base of everything concerning Usawa. And then you can actually submit a ticket and will be attended to by our staff. At the far end of your right, you have a quick action button that allows you to go to various aspects of Usawa, contact, sales, purchases, production, and others quickly. It's like a shortcut menu. Now let's come to the dashboard proper. Now the dashboard proper, like we said, provides you an overview of how your company is performing at every particular point. Like I said, it shows the total invoices, the total bills, outstanding expenses, and then the total of the bank balances. Now below that, you could see it shows you and gives you an idea of your profit and loss. Now please note, this is basically user-driven data. It means this data you are seeing here is based on the quality of information you have actually imputed into Usawa. how you have used Usawa to raise your bills and your invoices. Now, below that, you also have your cash flow. Your cash flow is a function of the bank account that you have uploaded, and it shows the total money you have brought in and the total money that you have expended in a particular month. That gives you an idea of which is more. Is it the income or the expenses? Now, at the right side, you have the top five expenses. This gives you an overview of the top five expenses that basically your organization is spending money on. So that in case you need to review, you can quickly know the areas that you need to focus on when you are doing your cost reduction policy. Now you have the tax due tab where you will have the taxes that are due, the amount, especially when it comes to VAT. There's a notification tab basically showing you issues that are outstanding. And then there's a notepad where you can actually have messages among organizations. Now, on the left side below the cash flow is a list of banks. That gives you each of the bank and their balances. Now, ordinarily, the statement balance and the account balance should be the same. We'll go to that on how to reconcile your bank balances and your statement balance in Usawa in separate video. Now, at the bottom of here, you have your top five customers and your top five suppliers. Basically showing you the people that your top five customers in terms of spending, and then your top five suppliers in terms of spending also. You have spent more money with. Now, so this is the dashboard of Usawa and the various tools that Usawa has for you. In other videos, we'll be exploring each of these tabs and how you can actually maximize their use as in your journey to use Usawa. Thank you very much.